Hello, hello, and welcome. My name is Melanie Julian. MJ, my clients call me. I'm a parent educator, a doula, certified childbirth educator, and a certified cannabis consultant, educator, and professional interpreter. I'm the founder and creator of the Cannabis Doula. I created the Cannabis Doula to support women and families who consume cannabis and other plant medicine, especially during pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum. I provide holistic childbirth education courses on cannabis, cannabis and family wellness course as well, and also support families through events, consultations, and care plans to support their holistic cannabis use. And I'm so excited. Today is the first day of Black History Month, so happy Black History Month to all of you. I'm using this month to encourage all cannabis businesses to donate to the Cannabis Doula Incorporated, to shatter the stigma, to support women and families in communities that have been impacted by the war on drugs and cannabis prohibition, Black communities, especially the women and families that I work with in Washington, D.C., virtually throughout the nation as well, and internationally. I've seen so many women and families who need additional support in their cannabis consumption through cannabis education and consultations, especially women and families who are birthing. So pregnant people and their families are especially needing support as it relates to cannabis medicine. Cannabis has been used to support women and birthing families since the earliest known uses of the plant. So I'm so excited to share this information with families so that they have support and education to best support their holistic and safe cannabis use or cessation of cannabis during pregnancy. I encourage families to make informed decisions on cannabis through the Holistic Cannabis Consumption, Pregnancy, Childbirth, and Postpartum online course and the Cannabis and Family Wellness course. I'm also training more cannabis doulas, which I'm so excited about. In May, I'll be training more doulas in cannabis education and cannabis consulting to support birthing people. And this is really, really major. Our families have been impacted very negatively for generations due to stigma, due to misinformation and propaganda that was specifically targeted at our communities. Our families have been criminalized and locked up, leading to the prison industrial complex and all that we see, how Black people, especially Black women, are the growing population in prisons today. And a lot of that is due to nonviolent marijuana crimes that most people, as you know, are getting rich from now, selling cannabis in dispensaries, and our families are still reaping and seeing the effects of the war on drugs and cannabis prohibition in our communities. So I'm taking this whole month of Black History Month, to encourage you to learn the Black history of cannabis, how cannabis was a cash crop, how hemp was a cash crop, how enslaved African women used cannabis as midwives and as healers and herbalists. And I'm encouraging you, all cannabis businesses, to donate to our Shatter the Stigma fundraiser. We are gaining our status as a 501c3 nonprofit to do exactly that, to provide cannabis education, holistic childbirth education, and parenting education, and other family life education to support our families and communities who have been impacted negatively by cannabis prohibition and the war on drugs. We'll be able to train more doulas. We'll be able to offer more consultations and classes and events for families at discounted rates or free for families, and that's exactly what we want to do. Cannabis should be accessible to all families. So thank you so much, and I do encourage you to support the Cannabis Doula. Donate to our campaign by visiting our website, www.thecannabisdoula.com or .org/donate. And I really appreciate you, and I thank you. I thank all of my clients, all the women and families, doctors, nurses who I've been able to contact with and connect with through this time, as I've been supporting families in this space since about 2016. Thank you so much, and continue to shatter the stigma. Thank you.